Welcome back YouTube, VST here at SPC Tech. This is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I know there's gonna be questions, so yes, the excellent version. And what you can see on the screen is, let me show you. Yesterday I did a video about a very unique, I actually think a great application called OneYou icon pack. A very nice app combination of more than 10,000 icons, allowing really accent theming, and finally allow me to have all my social icons running with the same theming, which is not really possible with stock OneUI. I did give away 10 promo codes for the OneUI icon pack. I reached out to the developer. He's put up another perfect app in place, and that's the one that I'm going to review in this video. It's called the OneYou accent icon pack. So if you think what the difference is, still more than 10,000 dynamic icons. There are also crazy widgets which I'm going to show, and because I know there's going to be questions, the difference here is the fact that these icons have a light accent background color and a more saturated foreground color, and they really look amazing, guys. So if you're here for the first time, you might want to subscribe for my channel, and please also note that we will give away 11 promo codes for this application. If you want to buy it, it costs almost like €2, so the price is very good. But I'm going to give away 11 codes thanks to Pasha Puma, who sent them to me. And yesterday I was criticized by some of the viewers. I posted all the codes on my YouTube community page and also some of them on my Telegram, and this probably was not the best approach. Of course, it was the easiest for me, but I got some very nice and good feedback from you. So today I'm going to use YouTube comment picker. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, guys, just make sure to comment under the video. If you want to like the video, yeah, let's do it. It's not, of course, mandatory, but comment is required. And 2 days after I publish the video, just waiting to get a bit more comments, I'm going to manually select the 11 winners. I think that's a better approach. It's fair. It means, of course, more work for me, but I want to do it the right way. And now back to the OneYou accent icon pack. This is, guys, what I want to show you today. And by the way, you can already see this on my screen. For those of you that don't know how to apply it, it's not so straightforward when you use OneUI home launcher. Now, if you use something like Hyperion, boom, you know, it's gonna work crazy, right? But this is a whole lot of things, and I promise you some very exciting news in the future that are coming from Pasha Puma. So just follow my channel, guys. So I'm gonna show you today how you can use the stock launcher and change these icons, right? So right now, guys, I have my new wallpaper, but I still have my old icon accent color. So how can we change this? We need to go one more time in theme park. We need to create a new icon pack. So hitting the create new button, click here on the icon pack, select the OneYou accent. Let me just save them. V3 is there. I need to hit the button and then press apply. Once that applied, you can just see how different it's gonna be. Hopefully everything's different. Boom. Absolutely beautiful, guys. The only problem that is there with the stock Samsung OneUI home launcher is that you cannot reload and change the accent color all the time. You need to go through theme park and just every time use theme park to create the new icon set. But I just hope that this is going to be changed in the future. Now, enough is enough. Let me first show you the icons, and then I promise to show you the widgets in this video. So first, guys, I'm gonna go inside the social, and the new icons really are very nice. The accent is there. You can just see this has like a 3D effect. Even here on the TikTok, you can pretty much see that one. They are very, very, very good. By the way, on my home screen, I have only 3 icons that are not themed currently, and those are only for some local apps. So I guess, of course, it's normal to not have them themed. But have a look how many of my other applications do you actually have themed icons. Samsung stock application, all my Google applications. Here, everything is themed. Here, the only icon not themed is 3D Mark. Just keep showing to you guys some local Bulgarian stuff, but overall, I would say that 80% of the apps that I'm using are themed, and I'm using a lot of apps. There are some games, there is some multimedia apps, and there are actually a lot of things. If I go to my media apps, Spotify, Mixcloud, Eon TV, nothing here, right? Galaxy Wearable, all is theme, and I do like this. And the last video I was not able to show the widgets, but now I'm gonna do this. This here, by the way, is also a widget from the OneYou accent, so I'm gonna remove it and I'm going to enter now all my widgets. I'm just going to type here accent so that you directly can see what do we have. We have 8 type of widgets. So we have an analog clock, of course, material UI design supported, analog clock, OneUI. we have an analog clock pixel watch. This one is interesting, clock numbers. That's the one I have been using. And you have also the date tablet and some search boxes here, of course, with wallpapers and also with other things like microphone access and etc. So let me just try to put that one. This one is quite fancy. And have in mind, guys, every time you change the accent of your icons, this here will also change. So it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna change the whole setup one more time to try to illustrate this to you. Voila, all here, colors are changed, and it does look absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. I honestly think that Samsung should really pay Pasha Puma and make this functionality stock. Guys, in the next videos, I'm also gonna show you what happens when you use third-party launchers. It's very easy using third-party launchers to just change the accent color without doing these crazy themes, and there are a few more surprises from Pasha Puma coming in the next days. And until that, guys, don't forget, I am giving away 11 promo codes. If you want to win one, just comment something. And also, if you like the video, like it and subscribe for the channel. Stay safe, guys, you and your families. With that said, VST over. Bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.